Hi everyone, it's Christiane from the Cooking RX, and in this video I'm going to share with you some healthy summer meal plan ideas. Instead of prepping whole meals, my method is to prep individual ingredients so that I could just grab from my fridge and put together really healthy, easy meals in minutes. In addition to the ingredient prep, I do prep some whole meals. For example, busy times like mornings where you don't have 30 minutes to make a pancake recipe. I do that on the weekend and save some for the week and put them in my fridge so that it's easy to grab them and heat them up. I've gone ahead and made it really easy for you guys to follow with the Healthy Summer Meal Plan PDF that I've linked to below. So go ahead and download that and check it out before we get started. So for our summer-inspired breakfast recipe, I've chosen a simple, healthy buckwheat pancake recipe that's topped with fresh berries and a little bit of maple syrup. My ThermoMix makes it really easy to whip up those pancakes, so I'll show you now how the recipe is done. Got our breakfast item done for the week, let's go ahead and move on to our snack. Our healthy snack for this week is going to be zucchini and carrot muffins. I also whip up the batter for that in the ThermoMix, and it's really easy to do. Let's take a look. the week, I like to keep it simple to a healthy salad, some fruit, and maybe a sandwich or some soup. So for this summer meal plan, I've chosen a strawberry quinoa salad with a strawberry vinaigrette. Let's take a look how that's done. The strawberry vinaigrette is really simple to make in the ThermoMix, and you just want to slowly add in the olive oil so it gets emulsified really nicely. So at the start of your strawberry quinoa salad, you want to prepare the quinoa first, and I do that in my ThermoMix. It takes about 25 minutes. Let me show you how to do it. Done the quinoa and let it cool, you can prepare the dressing and then toss everything together once you're ready to make your salad. You want to store the ingredients separately though during the week. So I have a separate container for my quinoa, for my dressing, and the lettuce and sliced red onion and feta cheese. All right, we're ready to move on to dinner. So during the hot summer nights, my family and I love to do taco night. So I thought about tacos when I thought about making this summer meal plan for you guys. Mexican flavored shredded chicken is really easy to do in the ThermoMix and only takes about 20 minutes. So to prepare the shredded chicken for your tacos, you first start out by sauteing some onion and then add in some tomatoes, some cumin, and other spices in the chicken. Let it cook for 20 minutes. Once your chicken's done cooking, you can shred it in the ThermoMix, let it cool in your container, and put it in the fridge until you're ready for your taco night. While my chicken is cooking in the ThermoMix, I've prepared some corn on the stovetop that I could also stick in my fridge to use as a side for my tacos. important part of my meal prep method is to make sure that I make a large batch of ingredients that I'm going to be able to make for more than one meal. So instead of just using the chicken for only the chicken tacos, I can make it for different bowls, like a quinoa bowl with the quinoa that I've made as well for my strawberry salad. Or I can use it for a soup, like a chicken noodle soup or a tortilla soup. And now I'd like to share with you my favorite part of my meal plan, the dessert item. So this week I've chosen a strawberry nice cream that's really easy to make in the ThermoMix and is super easy to prep for. If you haven't heard of nice cream, it's exactly like ice cream, except it's made with bananas as the base instead of heavy whipping cream. You still get that really creamy texture and it's healthy. The key to making a beautiful nice cream is to freeze your bananas for a couple hours beforehand. So for your meal prep, you want to slice up a couple bananas and put them in a container and freeze them for a couple hours so that you could grab them during the week when you're ready to make your nice cream. You can flavor your nice cream with anything you'd like. This week I've chosen a strawberry nice cream because you only need one extra ingredient in addition to the bananas, strawberries. I like to use frozen strawberries because it keeps that ice cream texture very similar to ice cream as opposed to using fresh strawberries that will water it down. Here is how you make strawberry nice cream. Let's take a look. Some inspiration for your meal plans this summer. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future meal plan videos. If you have any questions about this meal plan or the ThermoMix, leave me a comment below. You can also find me at The Cooking RX on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you.